Okay, cilantro, onions, then comes olives with some olive juice. It gives it a nice little hint of salt or tang to it. And then comes peppers. I love, with all my heart, Cubanelle peppers. I'm going to show you right now what they look like. They're the light green peppers. So I use red peppers and Cubanelle peppers. Let me open that for a sec. And all I do is I take like a handful of it and drop it in there. So they're frozen, you guys. As you know, peppers go bad in the fridge if you just leave them there indefinitely till next time you cook. So the best thing to do is freeze them. There's no need to get them frozen, even though you can find them in the frozen section, when you could just buy them yourself. This was like $5 a pack. I brought like 7 of them at Stop and Shop. And I just washed them, sliced them with my mandolin, and froze them in the Ziploc bags. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just throwing it in there. Next, I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of sauce. It could be any tomato sauce. Don't judge me, but I'm going to use Prego. No, it will not taste like spaghettis, you guys. Trust me, all these flavors bring their own flavor to the table, so to speak, to the dish. And you're going to see it will not taste like spaghetti sauce. How will you know? Obviously, you're going to try this on your own. I got this. And I know you've got this too, that you're going to make it happen. You're going to make it taste absolutely amazing because you're following my recipe. So let me get my Prego.